All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something very cool I got here from YEDC. I got a pig coin and I'm gonna go through this fella. I'm gonna open it up. You're gonna see the unboxing and it's pretty cool because you have to peel off this sticker right there. And you can, I'm not sure, this is like a plastic case, but it's nice. Actually, it's metal, but feels plasticky, but it's metal. So, anyways, we got our coin and we got some spare parts, which are gonna be useful. You're gonna see in a second, and a couple stickers for your case. We got the coin here, right? And we're gonna check right away the measurements. We have, let's see. We have 70 grams in weight, which is nice. I like to feel some heft in the pocket, and 36 millimeters for the diameter and 12 millimeters for the thickness of this coin. I'm just gonna show you a couple more, like just as a size comparison. Look at this. That's the collaboration with 42 Cosmo. This is one of my favorite toys, actually. Lauti and EDC, another haptic collaboration between these two giants. You get Ambori token coin, which I really love. That's the Coke button cap, the Milkia, of course, another fantastic haptic coin right over here. But anyways, we are here to chat about the pig coin, which is very interesting, guys. At first, it just looks like a haptic coin, right? And it is. Classic haptic coin. But this guy has a twist. And in one direction, it's classic haptic coin with the classic structure of internal magnets and needle bearings around like any other haptic coin. Where's the catch? If you go clockwise, you get the haptic. If you go counterclockwise, you get the safe clicking feel and noise, which is very interesting. So, haptic. I hope you can appreciate the difference. This is like exactly the kind of the clicking noise you have when you adjust like a manual focus lens, for example. Like in this case, if you use Leica, for example, you might be familiar with that clicking sound. It's very interesting. It's like a detent system, and I'm gonna expose it in a second. So right over here, you can actually, like on this side, you can just open it up like so, and it reveals the classic haptic structure, right? You just do this, and you just do that, and it reveals the clicking mechanism underneath the other side. So you have these two sides which are glued together, okay? I believe they are glued, yeah. And then you have two springs, and you have these ceramic or plastic balls right over here, which they can pop out, and that's why they give you a couple extra. So this guy is just, and there's also one extra of these springs, because yeah, these are tiny. So that's the mechanism. So this guy is attracted with the magnet. These are gonna be clicking only in one direction. They're gonna get stuck, you see, if you twist in the other direction. So only on one side they click, like the safe kind of clicking noise. Whereas on the other side, they catch those teeth, so they cannot spin and produce this noise. and they produce the haptic noise from the classic magnets just attracting and repelling themselves, each other. So very, very clever mechanism. It's a new way to incorporate a multi-fidget experience into one classic haptic coin with this very, very cool, safe clicking haptic feedback, let's call it that way. And of course on this side you get a nicely engraved warthog kind of thing going on, not really like a pig, but maybe a pig, I don't know. And for sure this is the pig coin, it's in zirc, I believe this is brass, it's a gorgeous one, it's classic, and already because of the dual action, guys, really love this fella. So there you have it. If you want to know more, you can also check out fablades.com and see if this guy is available. For everything else, thanks for watching and stay tuned.